everyone, welcome back to Glam Designs by Anne. It's your girl Anne, and I'm back with another video. Took a little break last week just to get some relaxation, catch up on a few new things. And sometimes you need a mental break from YouTube and content creating. But I was sharing shorts and reels on my YouTube shorts as well as on my Instagram and my TikTok. So if you guys don't follow me on those other social media sites, I'm going to insert pictures of my TikTok handle. I'm trying to build and grow my TikTok following, so please follow me over there. Like I said, I'll insert my TikTok handle and I'll also insert my Instagram handle. I do have quite a few of my YouTube sisters that follow me on my Instagram handle as well as on my TikTok, and also some TikTok and Instagram handles that I support as well. They are digital creators. They're not YouTubers. They just upload more on their Instagram and their TikTok. But yeah, I'll insert those two handles, and you guys please support those social media sites as well. Like I said, I'm trying to grow my followings over there as well as, and also sort of help to bring people over to my YouTube channel. But yeah, I took a little hiatus, like I said, and just needed a little break sometimes. I also needed to catch up on a few other things that when I'm creating and making content to share with you guys, sometimes those things take the back burner. So I had to catch up on those things and just get a little bit of relaxation and a mental break. But I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are mentally doing well also. So guys, with summer sort of winding down, even though it's really humid and hot, especially where I am, and I know where a lot of some of my viewers and followers where you guys are, it's probably pretty hot. But with summer winding down, guys, and as content creators, we sort of like to share our seasonal changes really early just to give you guys inspiration and just to share with you items that are being stocked for the fall season or for whatever season that we're transitioning into. So I want to go around my home and just share with you some of the spaces that I've refreshed. Usually for the summer, I don't add color to my space. I bring color more with my greenery and things like that, but I don't bring in color with like my pillow covers in the living room or like napkins and things like that. I tend to just stick more to the black and white, my black and white aesthetics for the summer. It kind of keeps the place cool and light. And because I add a lot of color for the spring, I sort of want to just keep things light and airy and sort of relaxed, so I don't add any color. So in my dining room, which you guys are seeing here, I refresh the space by shopping my home, and I ended up DIYing one of my canvases that I had from previously. I painted it black, and then you guys remember these two I had over my sectional in my living room. I have the other one here, and I'm also DIYing another black one to go underneath here because I've moved the faux tree that I got from Amazon. As you can see, it's over there. I kind of wanted to just keep this area a little bit light and airy. So on the dining room table, I've just shopped my home and used things that you guys have seen already. The black flatware is from Amazon. Charger from Amazon. Mats are from Marshalls from a few years ago. These are some DIY beautiful plates that I got from Value Village a few years ago. The salad plate is part of my black dinnerware set that I got from Walmart a few years ago. The black and the white napkin rings came from Amazon a few years ago. And then these are just some random glasses that were not in even numbers that I had, and I just decided to spray paint them black a few years ago. I was looking at some really beautiful black glasses on Amazon, and they were pretty pricey. So I was like, okay, I have these odd numbers of glasses, which is just two of these and then two of the martini glasses, and yeah, I just decided to just spray paint them black. And yeah, this is what I've created for my dining room tablescape look. And then this is a beautiful and amazing new find that I walked into when I was in Winners running a few errands. I got this bowl. It is so gorgeous, guys. It is actually from Tahari Home. If you guys can see the sticker in the middle, I kept it just so I can share it with you guys. This bowl was $24.99. It is gorgeous. You can style it anywhere in your home, guys. You can style it with bowl fillers. In my case, I'm using greenery because that's my pop of color for the summer. But you can use any sort of bowl filler that you like that goes with your palette and how you like to style your home. You can style this beautiful marble. It's pretty weighty, guys. You can style it on its own. And with the upcoming fall season, you can put small pumpkins in there. You can put fall bowl fillers in there, like those meshy ones in like those really nice fall colors like brown and creams and burnt oranges and stuff like that. And like I said, you can put small little pumpkins in there. You can put those big beaded garland and style it in there as well. And you can pretty much style this anywhere in your home, on your coffee table, your entryway, even in your bedroom, on your kitchen island. You can use it as a fruit bowl in the kitchen as well. So you can place it anywhere your heart desires. And I just love it. Is it not gorgeous, guys? Credenza, guys, I brought back these taller lamps that were in the living room area. I had one on my entryway table and I had the other one on my end table near the sectional by the window. I decided to bring them back. And by the way, that beautiful piece above is from Wayfair. I got that about 3 years ago. This is a new find as well that I found in Winners. And this is handmade in India. And it was $16.99. It is more of a iron sort of material, and I love the modern distressing look that it has on it. The imperfection is so beautiful. I really love it. And then what I've done is I just added these. I think these are olives. I got these from Amazon a while back. I have a few of them, and you've seen me style it for the summer. I feel like it's a really nice beautiful pop of color for the summer as well, so I decided to bring it back. And then you guys know this bigger vase that I got from Winners maybe like a year or so ago. I think that one was $24 or $34.99. And then this is just a piece I got from Wayfair a while back. And then these are just some greenery stems that I got from Amazon that come in a set of 3. These are also from Amazon, guys. And then my lamps, they're from Winners a few years ago. My dining room table and chairs came from Wayfair. So if you're new and you're watching, I just wanted to let you know. And then this credenza is part of a 8-seater dining room set that I had many years ago that I ended up getting rid of. But yeah, this is what my dining room is looking like. This is a short, sweet video, but like I said, I just wanted to share with you how I just sort of shopped my home and refresh the space for the sort of like the ending of the summer season before I start transitioning and start sharing ideas and inspiration with you guys for the fall season. But yeah, this is what the dining room is looking like. I love the low centerpiece that I created with this gorgeous piece. And if I didn't mention, this is a marble bowl. It's really heavy. It has quite a bit of a weight on it. And yeah, this is what the dining room area looks like. You know, you guys know sometimes I like to put high centerpieces, but for the summer, I just wanted to do something a little different. And I think it looks really nice. The greenery moss balls just adds a really nice pop of color and some extra texture to the tablescape, and it just pops with all of the black and white. I feel this is such a simple but yet elegant and timeless tablescape. And a really simple, timeless and elegant, I would say, dining room setting as well as credenza setting. And I just love how all of the black and white pieces just go really, really nicely together with the pops of greenery that I've added in the vases as well as in this beautiful bowl that I got from Winners. From this angle, this is what things look like. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think of my little summer refresh? Sort of like I said, the ending of summer refresh that I did here in the dining room. And the only new pieces that I purchased, like I said, was the beautiful bowl. And look at the detailing, guys. I forgot. Look at the detailing around the edges, around the edge of the bowl. Is it not gorgeous? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think of this refresh that I did here in the dining room? I sort of love shooting from this angle. I feel like it just captures the beauty of the table and the credenza and how I've styled it really nicely. Sorry guys, my son called me, so you probably will hear him calling me in the background of this video, so I apologize for that. But anyways, like I was saying, this is pretty much what I've done here, just to refresh the dining room area before I transition to fall and start bringing you guys styling ideas. I don't know if I'm going to just style the dining room for the fall and just end it there, but you guys know me, I love creating and I love bringing you different options that you can be inspired by. But this is all I had to share with you in today's video. The next video I will share with you how I refresh the living room area for the ending of summer season and what I've done in there. But if you enjoyed today's video and I brought you some sort of inspiration, kindly like, share, and comment. It really, really helps out the channel. And like I said, I'm going to insert my TikTok handle and my Instagram handle. Please follow me over there. I would really, really appreciate it. I will try to leave links to both of those social media handles as well that you can also click on. But if you just go to TikTok, if you have TikTok and you have Instagram, you can just type my name in and you'll find me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And like I said, I hope I brought you some inspiration. I'm just loving the light and airiness and this black and white palette for the summer. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Have a beautiful and blessed week, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and also hit your notification bell. That way you'll get alerts. Hit it twice to get alerts whenever I drop new videos. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. So here is another option I created for you guys where I place the beaded garland from Amazon in the handles of the beautiful textured modern vase from Winners. I added that decorative piece from Wayfair that I got about 3 years ago. And then the cherry blossoms and the greenery looks really, really nice as an addition. So that's another option for styling. And then over here, I placed this plant pot that I got from HomeSense a few years ago with some palm greenery from Amazon. I also got that a few years ago. And then I just added my black DIY canvas. In the first few clips you saw a black one there. I actually ended up taking it down because it still needed another coat, but in my final look, which may possibly be this one because I really, really like it as well. And I also love the two vases with the greenery stems in both of them. Which option do you guys prefer? Do you guys like this look? It still really complements the tablescape really nicely, and it gives a nice fresh look with the white beaded garland and the cherry blossoms, bringing in little pops of white as well. Looks really nice. And then this space looks so serene and light and airy without the big full plant, which is that 6-feet plant over there that I got from Amazon. So let me know what you guys think. I love this look as well, and I also love the vases with just the greenery in it as well. So let me know which one you guys prefer. Do you prefer the two vases with greenery? Do you like the look where you'll see a clip of it just now with just the tall vase and the smaller one without that decorative piece?